Hello there, my name is Ollie from Vans. Today I have for you the 2023 Volkswagen Transporter. Now this one does come with 5 doors, a tailgate of course, to make it easy to access any loads you maybe have inside this van. This does also come with 25,000 miles upon the clock. Now this does come with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, hands-free cooling, voice assist, cruise control, armrest for the drivers just here upon these 3 cloth-lined seats, an automatic transmission, air conditioning, reversing camera, radio, connectivity upon the screen, etc. And if I do show the load area in the back, it is interior lit, it is super bright inside of here. This is ply line with cargo rings to tie down any load you may want to carry, and I will just show you from the tailgate as well. As you can see, the reversing camera is just there as we open up. As you can also see, there are no scratches or dents upon the bulkhead, suggesting the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Volkswagen Transporter, then please do feel free to head over to our website. It's in the description, anchorvans.co.uk, or you can head over to our site in Padworth to check out this or any other van, maybe similar one you might find you like slightly more. You never know, one day you might be able to envision this vehicle on your driveway.